Here in production of aluminium, quality is very important for us and for our customers. And Total provide a wide range of oils and lubrications which actually meet our quality demands. Total provide for us technical support, expertise knowledge, level of service and professional standards.
Total's been in partnership with Bridgnorth Aluminium for a number of years. They're one of our key customers. Our relationship is built around trust. We fully understand that the products we supply are critical to their production.
At Total, we are able to develop, produce and sell the full range of lubricants for the aluminium rolling industry, hot rolling oils and compatible hydraulics, cold rolling oils and additives, specialty lubricants, low stain oils, air wash scrubbing oils, and the full range of maintenance lubricants and greases.
We know that Total are really reliable and they have their time frames and standard deliveries they work to. If they give us a delivery date, we know that we can rely on this so that we put our trust in them so that our production will carry on running.
I think the most important is that Total understand our industry for us because it allowed us to actually improve our processes, the product and our equipment.
We constantly invest in facilities, plants, labs and human resources, expert program, trainings to ensure our customer the highest level of products and services on the long term.
When we formulate a tailor-made product for a customer within the aluminium industry, it is very critical. We work with our customers very closely, very much in terms of a total cost of ownership, customer intimate approach. It's very important for us as Total Lubricants for our products to be sustainable and safe in the market and solving and helping our customers with the needs of their industry.
So Total are a great supplier and they will always go above and beyond for us. We have incidents where we need their support immediately and they will drop everything and make it their priority to get our orders here for us ASAP. For them to achieve this for us is really big.
We have a fantastic partnership with the Total and we have a mutual trust to work together.